secrets grow. She kissed me once and said goodbye beneath that heavy weeping sky. Now the pines still whisper her name. Every drop still feels the same. I hear her voice in that midnight train rolling slow. Down in Georgia rain, the dews fall deep, soaking through dreams I can't keep. She's gone, but the hurt remains. So I sing along in Georgia rain. Loose sound moans in the warm night air, playing memories that ain't fair. If I could hold her once again, I'd trade the sun for Georgia rain. Some storms don't pass, they just live inside your song. Still searching for her in Georgia rain. So if you hear the blues call your name, it might be me down in Georgia rain.
I gave you my laughter, gave you my trust, held on to love till it turned into dust. Every kiss I thought was a game, but looking back now, it was all just pain. No lessons, no flame, just nights I begged the rain. Say your name, every hug felt like change. What I thought was love was all just pain. You smile like heaven, but you cut like truth. Took every soft part and made it bruise. I wrote you a song, you rewrote the game. Now my guitar cries and it all sounds the same. All just pain. Not even the blues remain. Lucille won't lie, she don't play shame. Just frets and strings that call your name and say it was all just pain. I don't hate you, but I can't pretend come back, don't ask why I left. You stole the best and left me bereft. No rose, no flame, no refrain. What we call love was all just pain, all just pain. I won't sing it again. No encore, no sweet refrain. Just a man, a chair, and loose his chain, reminding me it was all just pain.
To my life like a sweet surprise, lit up the dark with those heaven-sent eyes. I didn't know love could feel so right till you held me close in the still of the night. But good things fade like the setting sun, and we both knew when our time was done. Still I'd trade the pain for another chance. Just one more moment, one more dance. You were the best I ever had. Through the good, through the bad. Even now with the heart gone sad, you were the best I ever had. I hear your laugh in the midnight air. I reach for you, but you're not there. Lucille cries soft like she understands what it means to lose the touch of your hand. Some loves come easy, some loves don't last. Ours was a fire that burned so fast, but I carry you deep in every song. A love that's gone, but never gone. Sad. And if love comes knocking again someday, I'll still remember you this way. So here's to you and all we were, the best I ever had. Of that I'm sure. I thought I broke free,
you walked away, but your shadow still follows every day. No matter how far I run at last, I'm still locked inside the chains of my past. Chains of my past keep pulling me down, heavy as heartache, cold as the ground. I reach for the light, but it never lasts. I'm still tangled in the chains of my past. I see your face in every song I play. Even Lucille can't drive you away. Your voice still whispers in the midnight rain, tightening these chains all over again. Chains of my past keep pulling me low. Every note I play just makes it show. The blues won't let your memory pass. I'm still caught in the chains of my past. I tried to bury what we used to be, but the blues keep digging up what's left of me. Some loves don't die, they just haunt your soul, turning freedom into a deeper hole. Every key, every stage, every crowd I face, your ghost stands close, won't give me space. Even in joy, your shadow is cast, wrapped around me, these chains of my past. Chains of my past, I wear them like skin. No way out, nowhere to begin. Keep singing what I can't surpass, still trapped inside the chains of my past. Some things hurt more in silence. Some goodbye don't need violence. Hold it steady, let the hurt be proud. Don't cry out loud. You can break without a sound. Tears can fall without hitting the ground. Strength don't mean you
just means don't cry out loud. Don't cry out loud. Let it burn low. Let the silence tell what you know. No need to shout. No need to be proud. Just don't cry out. Lucille hums low, knows the cost. She bends each note for what's been lost. No scream, no storm, no cloud, just the ache. You don't cry out loud. Some pain don't need a stage, it just needs a place to sit quietly. Don't cry out loud. Let it pass slow. Let it move through. Let it teach what you know. Some hurt don't break, it just wears you down. If you don't cry out loud.
I'll watch you walk away. Didn't say a word, just the sound of your silence, the coldest I've heard. Lucille tried to comfort me, but she understood. This time you're not coming back, you're gone for good. We've danced this dance time and again, but something about tonight felt like the end. Your shadow's gone, your perfume's gone too, but the blues you left still stick like glue. Gone for good, that's what you said. No more dreams, just an empty bed. I begged, I cried, did all I could, but now I know, baby, you're gone for good. I looked in your eyes, saw nothing left, like the love died a quiet, peaceful death. Lucille plays low, like she don't wanna scream, but I hear the pain in every string. Maybe someday I'll find my peace, but tonight these tears tears won't cease. You left your ghost where our love once stood, and now I'm here, and you're gone for good. Dark, 'cause you're gone for good. Lucille don't sing like she used to do, 'cause she feels it too. You're gone for good.
You left me standing in the midnight rain with a suitcase full of love and pain. But your name still echoes through the dark like it's carved across my heart. Tried to move on, Lord knows I tried, but your shadow walks close by my side. Every street, every tear, every star still pulls across my heart. Across my heart like a storm that won't fade, like a line in the blues that never gets played. You're stitched in the chords, you're in every part, like a scar running across my heart. Lucille don't lie, she plays it true. Every bend is a cry for you. This love ain't gone, it just turned to art, etched deep across my heart. You were more than a name, more than a flame. You were the song I never finished. The night gets sharp, it's 'cause I still feel you across my heart. walked away without a sound, left my world spinning upside down. Now every note I try to sing comes out cold on broken strings. I reach for Lucille, but she won't play. She knows there's nothing left to say. The music's gone where love once clings. Now I just bleed on broken strings. Broken strings, torn up tunes, empty nights and hollow moons. The melody we used to bring is shattered now, just broken strings. You were my song, you were my fire. Every chord fed that desire. But now the rhythm's limping, the soul won't sing, just silence humming on broken strings. Maybe someday I'll find a sound that don't remind me you're not around. But till that day, this pain still rings a blues man's heart. Lost in love, too late, too soon. Lucille still weeps, but she don't swing. She just mourns with broken strings. So I play alone in the dead of night. No wrong, no more right. Just a man, a memory, and the sting of love gone cold and broken strings. I let you go more times than I can count. Swore I'd move on, but love don't work that route. Every time you walk away, I swear it's the last. But here I stand, still chained to the past. Still can't lose you one more time. Lord knows I've tried to draw that line, but your memory keeps breaking through. I keep losing, but not losing you. Still can't lose you one more time. I packed your pictures, burned your name, tried to wash away that old flame. But even Lucille knows the lie I tell. Each string I play still rings your spell. Still can't lose you one more time. My heart can't take another climb. Every tear, every lonely tune still brings me right back to you. Still can't lose you one more time. The hardest part ain't letting go, it's living with the ghost. I know you're gone, but never far enough. This kind of love don't give you up. Night after night, I play your song, faking strength, but knowing I'm wrong. Your name still hides in every chord, like a prayer I can't afford. Still can't lose you one more time. Each goodbye leaves me behind. If love's a game, I paid my dues, but I still lose when I lose you. Still can't lose.